Opening an AvaTrade account is a simple process that involves a few key steps. Here's how to get started. Visit the AvaTrade website or app. Go to the AvaTrade website or download their mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up. On the homepage, click on the Register or Open Account button. You'll be prompted to enter your personal details, including full name, email address, phone number, date of birth, address, preferred currency. Verify your identity. To comply with regulatory requirements, AvaTrade will need to verify your identity. You'll be asked to upload a proof of identity and proof of address. This can usually be done by uploading scanned copies or photos of these documents. Choose an account type. AvaTrade offers different account types, such as retail accounts, demo accounts, and professional accounts. Choose the one that fits your trading goals. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, you can fund your account using various payment methods like credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. Start trading. After depositing funds, you can start trading on the platform using AvaTrade's trading tools, charts, and features.